मेरे दोस्त थे वो भी बोलते थे कि अंग्रेज़ बन रहा है, कुछ आता नहीं है पर अंग्रेज़ी भौंक रहा है, अंग्रेज़ी निकाल रहा है अपने अंदर से। क्या है ऐसा मुझे पसंद नहीं है। क्या है अननेसेसरली बात कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं ऐसे कोई बोल रहा है क्या। ऐसे लोग तुम्हें बहुत सारे मिलेंगे पर तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना है। तुम्हें चलना है अपने रास्ते पे, जो आपको रास्ता भी दिखे उस रास्ते पे चलो। Success in your life or success in your English speaking. So many people criticize you, but don't feel criticized. Criticize will not succeed your life. Criticize will not let you succeed. So many people provoke you. So many people don't feel what will happen in life. Just feel whatever I'm feeling, whatever I wanna do, then do on your hard work. This is your life. It's not up to another. This on up to you. Don't feel another criticize. Feel only you. This is you. Then you feel only you. Only work on your target. Make it up. One thing. Make it one target, two target to success in your life. So many people don't let you good way. So many people not let you go on the good way, because you are gonna walking on a good way. But so many people will not let you walk on a right way, because they don't want to succeed. They want to let you succeed. That's why don't feel unnecessarily. So many people avoid you. So many people criticize you while you speak English. I know this happened with me. I go 1 year. I didn't feel what will happen in my life. I started my English speaking. I thought is that so many people will make fun of me, but I didn't feel. I feel nobody make fun of me. Just if I feel criticized, then I can do some. So I thought is I will not feel criticized to another person. Just whatever I'm doing, I do whatever I'm feeling, whatever I do in my life. What I'm making planning, I get up and like one time I go to outside, feel everything. I speak English from everyone, every person, every section. That's so many people not feel you speak English, feel bad thing. This is the old habit. This is not today's. So many people, so many nets, but time of this stranger people will love you. Stranger people will help you, but don't cheat to anyone, because cheating will not return. You can return everything, but cheating never can be returned. While working is not procrastinating in your work. Think whatever you're doing, think whatever you are feeling, to only make it routine in more time in every time. I'm telling you my story, something little bit story. When I started speaking English, I didn't feel bad to anyone. So many people criticized me, but I didn't feel what happened in my life. Whatever happened, I did myself. I feel I used to do myself. I used to convince myself. That's why I do only my work, don't another work. So even today, so many people provoke me. Let's start my English speaking. My friends even provoke me. My friends criticize me, make fun of me. What is speaking English? Make an English type of that. मेरे दोस्त थे वो भी बोलते थे कि अंग्रेज़ बन रहा है, कुछ आता नहीं है पर अंग्रेज़ी भौंक रहा है, अंग्रेज़ी निकाल रहा है अपने अंदर से। क्या है ऐसा मुझे पसंद नहीं है। क्या है अननेसेसरली बात कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं ऐसे कोई बोल रहा है क्या। ऐसे लोग तुम्हें बहुत सारे मिलेंगे पर तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना है। तुम्हें चलना है अपने रास्ते पे, जो आपको रास्ता भी दिखे उस रास्ते पे चलो, दूसरों के रास्ते पर ना चलें। It's better whatever you choose, whatever you're doing. Just you feel whatever you're doing in your life. Your parents will provoke you. Your parents will not provoke you, because parents will motivate you for go ahead. Get rid of your unnecessary friends. Get rid of unnecessary friends. Get rid of your unnecessary you never hurt. Whatever you're doing, just two little fingers to type. This finger, only 5 fingers are not equalized. Just one finger is small, second, third is a small, third. Two is actually an example of life. But I don't feel that time. This happened with me, with myself. My friends used to tell me, you are speaking English, but I dislike. My colleague told me, I dislike your English. Even my family, I dislike English. Just to speak Hindi, we can understand everything, but don't do this. Just feel, if you wanna succeed, if you wanna get job in your abroad, in a special multinational companies, then you have to hard work on your own, on English speaking. I know this is another alternate language, but we have to observe this episode. We have to observe, we wanna succeed in life. That this is a problem not with me, with everyone. Then they are suffering from this problem, especially COVID-19 will help you getting time a lot. So you should make the use of this time. Make the use of this time. It's quite true. So many people forget target but don't. Take alarm, applies your target, applies your everything, applies your works, applies your forms for your reminding lesson. Make a reminder. When you reminder will help you to back up for your target. If you forget target, what did this happen? There's nothing in my life. I'll mention it. I don't mention you unnecessary friends, unnecessary alarms. I feel whatever alarm will provide me for success, then I can absorb this problem. So feel only you two, whatever you two, only two on your hard work. Don't feel criticized. If you will criticize, then how did this problem? This is not. This is the unnecessary friend will provoke you. Unnecessarily, that's concentrate on your work, concentrate on your reading every tree, reading every type. Don't eat, don't talk to another. Just talk to your books, talk to your newspaper, talk to your magazines. Read every tree in every single day. It will help you to success in life, to help you get over your life. Get over your examination, get over your tests. You may have to educate your hard work, educate your gravity. That's I'm having to cultivate my hard work. I'm having to educate my poetry myself. Nobody help you, nobody suggests you. Then you have to suggest yourself, suggestion to yourself. Take an alarm, apply your alarm. That's so you can get early in my time. Then to exercise, go to outside, feel observe everything. Feel everything, go to actually your friends, your neighborhood, go to outside, do exercise more time. Exercise with efficiency, then to feel productivity whole day. I'm trying to hard work day by day, and I have one daily routine. I follow my daily routine. I work on my daily routine, so I don't forget my target. First of all, I take a to-do book. Then I take a look my to-do book, my time. Then I go to working, come back, reading, this type. My time I handle my subscriber, then to maintain this. Follow my sections, follow my routine. I think tell, but don't feel criticized. Work on your hard work. Don't feel unnecessarily friends. Feel only yourself. Work on you. It's one up to you. Will notice. So thanks for watching this video. I'm Keshav from Wi-Fi Smart English. So thanks for good luck. Share this video with your friends and subscribe this video if you like this video. Bye. See you tomorrow.